Click on the link below to get price. The electric bike for adults with a 1500W peak motor and a top speed of 28 miles per hour is an impressive piece of engineering that perfectly marries power and convenience. The standout feature of this bike is undoubtedly its robust 1500W motor, which delivers not only an exhilarating riding experience but also the ability to tackle steep hills and rough terrains with ease. Acceleration is smooth and powerful, allowing for quick starts without the lag that often plagues lesser e-bikes. Equipped with a 48V 15AH removable battery, this bike offers considerable range, enabling longer rides without the anxiety of running out of power. Users can expect approximately 30 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and modes. The convenience of a removable battery adds an extra layer of practicality, allowing you to charge it indoors or swap it out while on the go. The frame design is sturdy yet lightweight, making it easy to maneuver while providing the stability needed for higher speeds. The bike comes with a comfortable saddle and ergonomic handlebars, which together facilitate long rides without discomfort. The inclusion of front and rear lights enhances safety, especially during evening rides, while the responsive brakes ensure controlled stopping power at high speeds. One of the bike's best features is its versatility. It offers multiple riding modes, allowing you to choose between pedal assist or full electric, catering to varying preferences and fitness levels. Whether you're commuting to work or enjoying a leisurely ride, you can tailor your experience to suit your needs. However, it's worth mentioning that the bike's weight may be a concern for some users, particularly when maneuvering it without power. Additionally, assembly can be a bit tricky and may require some mechanical know-how. Overall, this electric bike is a fantastic investment for anyone seeking a powerful, reliable, and versatile option for adult cycling, perfectly blending functionality with excitement.